In 4 months, I'm officially moving to Jamaica. I'm packing all of my stuff into boxes, sorting what goes into donation, what stays, and what's going in the trash. And I'm realizing that I actually had a lot more things than I thought I did. Even though moving in here, I already knew I wouldn't be staying for long, so I didn't settle in or furnish how I would usually do. Right now, my day-to-day looks like I wake up at 4 a.m. for my first job, most days, 4 days out of the week. I clock in by 5:45. Once I'm done with my first job, which lasts for about 5 hours, I typically go home, spend time with my dog. I have to train her, she's still very young. And then I get myself together before going to my second job, which is from 3 to 8. And it's a lot on the body. But living in the States, it feels like I have to work, and compromise my personal well-being in order to be able to afford a comfortable life here, even with the support of my family. But now more than ever, I feel very drawn to a change in lifestyle, a change in pace. There's going to be a period of adjustment. There's going to be a period of discomfort. But that's what happens even when you move into another state. So I'm very open to that. I'm very comfortable knowing that that's what I'm going to experience. My entire life I've been moving around, so this is nothing new to me. I've just never lived in Jamaica's culture for a long time. I've frequented Jamaica, but to live over the course of even 6 months is a huge change for me. Hi, baby. I love you. All right, bye. Be a good man beside me, say you know, say a good man party. In that adjustment period though, I'm lucky enough to have my family's support and my boyfriend's support. Alongside that, I'm really looking forward to the food, music, nature, and overall just the culture and the new environment that comes with moving to a new country. My boyfriend has been living in Jamaica all his life, so he will be a big part of my transition of getting accustomed to how things work over there, because my impression so far has been that the pace at which things get done over there is drastically different than what I'm used to. But I'm okay with that. I expect it, you know, even though it's one thing to expect than experience. But I'm sure things will be just fine. Small hiccups here and there, but overall, I think everything will be okay. That being said, my overall goals are to create community by providing yoga classes, eventually opening my own studio, getting a farm, well, getting land to farm on, eventually turning that into something that is inclusive of the people that live in the area, in Jamaica overall, and really to people who want to come and experience the beauty of Jamaica. I'm also a very big advocate for community service, so I'm sure I'll be planning all sorts of little gatherings and events for people who are interested in volunteering. In an earlier video, I showcased my boyfriend and I going down to St. Tully's River, where we collected a bunch of trash, you know, just trying to clean the place up a bit, essentially. And things like that make me feel good. So that's another thing that I want to bring with me. and get people involved. So this is video number 1 of I don't know how many parts of my transition into moving to Jamaica. I'm going to be documenting as much as I can about everything from moving to getting my family's opinions and what it's like to do long distance for a year.